Well, the ice is still with us. I want to check and see how that driveway melted. The only bad thing I don't like about these tires is I don't get no grippy grip. And the asphalt's even slick. The salt didn't do nothing. Nope. The salt didn't do nothing. Oh boy. Running a lime truck to spread some ice melt around this place to try and get rid of the ice. Ice melt, grip, what have you, just to try and get rid of some of the ice. And oh, I'm sorry, it's limestone. What it'll do is you run over it and it'll just disintegrate. Put the big 7800 over here. It'll probably stay over in this spot more or less. Put the lime truck away. Since we're done playing Portage County engineer. So that truck there, that's going out to Armac. Pollution, or check engine light. Always something. So we're kind of just going to take it a little easy. We don't need to be getting hurt or anything like that. I about hit the ditch over here this morning with my gator. I thought maybe it was going to be a little less slick than it was, but I was only doing like 7 or 6 miles an hour. I mean, oh, she's slick. So we'll just kind of idle our way around. We don't need to be paying for a new pickup truck because we wrecked this one. Oh, it's slick. It's slick. Are we in 4-wheel drive? I believe so. Yes. We just need to take it easy and everything will be fine. Yes, I know it's taking me a little bit of time to get to the farm, but I would rather get there in one piece rather than have parts of a pickup truck scattered all over the driveway. This hill always is a doozy. I was almost thinking we should have never put it here, but it's how it worked out. And we made it. So I had somebody ask me, well, what do you use them 2 big propane tanks for? Obviously the dryer doesn't need to suck all that propane. Well, believe it or not, it makes more sense for the delivery driver to bring, what are they, 2,000 gallon tanks combined? 1,000 gallon each or so? I got no clue. But we use propane for that. They're there is a propane tank up there at the shop for emergency heat and yeah, what have you. And then we got little propane tanks like for propane torches and giblets like that. So we need to run back over home here and see what the dog food situation is like, since yeah, we just need to look at the dog food situation. It's better to do it now since I don't have anything really pressing going on, rather than have something pressing going on and time slips by and the dog runs out of food. Yeah, he's got a self-feeder that I take charge of. Oh my gosh. Scared stiff, buddy. Oh my goodness. Whew. Crap. Okay. Man. I hate ice. I don't know about you guys, but man. Okay, so we made it over here. And it looks like we need to fill the feeder. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wheel ourselves as close as we can to the building, because you guys can see the way that it is sloped. Yeah, we'll go ahead and stop right here. You guys can probably see why I did what I did, because I'd go sliding, and I've done that before. Starting to use that thing up here a little bit more. So, what's the dog food situation? We might be needing more. Yeah, I know it might seem kind of dumb and pointless doing it this way, but you know what? Like I said, I would rather keep my feet underneath me rather than just having my feet go out from underneath me. Okay, I know what you guys are probably saying. Well, I can walk that in a heartbeat. Well, good for you. You know, not everybody's the same. There. Not too bad right here. So after refilling the dog food, yeah, I put the board there because first time we've tried this thing, the dog food wasn't coming out. So when the dog eats so much, it keeps dispensing it out as it's doing right there. Okay, he'll eat all this up no matter no matter of days. Clean up. He's usually pretty good about cleaning the concrete up if like there's messes and stuff. But yeah, we might be getting another bag. But for all you haters out there that say, oh well, I know I can walk that better than you can. Well, you know what? Freaking good for you. Okay, there ain't a person out there in the world that can walk on ice any better than you can probably fall down and get hurt on ice. See, I had this all planned out. When I came out of the building with the dog food, I slid right into the tire. Okay, easy enough. Slid right into the tire, boom, the bag goes into bed, back over there, get the dog food out, repeat the process to put the dog food away. If I didn't have anything to slide into here, I would slide right down the driveway and get hurt. Now I know also what you guys are thinking is oh my gosh, why don't you put some salt down? Well, we don't walk this, okay? We just don't. I'm gonna take you guys up here and show you why I put the gator in the car garage in the little side is because of this here just being slick as glass. Okay. And then two, them steps. Okay. They're a pain in the butt. Because they, well, there's nowhere to put a handrail, okay? I mean, yeah, they're not like really slick because of the way that the house is, kind of shades it, but there's no handhold here. This is slick. There's no way, how to mount a handrail to the side of the house, just because, well, it's not gonna work, okay? The people that lived here, they were tied into money and stuff like that, so safety, as far as this aspect, wasn't a concern to them, but it is to us. This is why I didn't come out the steps, because, well, like I said, there's nowhere to get a hold of anything. Like if I were to start losing my balance and things like that, yes, I could walk over here, but you know, walking in the dark, it just, yes, I got the lights, you know, there's motion light up there, there's motion light over there. I almost need a third one right above me, or else take that one, stick it up here pointing down the bottom of the steps. I don't know, but we'll think of something. And that's why I put this in the car garage, is to alleviate walking across the ice and all that. It just makes things much more simpler. I mean, yeah, too, I always walk in the grass, but it's just the thought of, too, I have to cross the sidewalk at some point, okay? I could go there, go in the flower bed, but I'd still have to cross the little walkway there, go up and screw around going through that way and all that, and walk through the grass. But then I would still have to cross the concrete back behind me, okay? It's just easier to do it this way and put the gator in the car garage, probably for, I don't know, maybe till tomorrow night or something, maybe even tonight. I don't know. This ice is supposed to melt, but it is just a ever-loving pain in the butt, and that is why we don't waste the salt over here, because we have four-wheel drive vehicles. Now, if it was a different story where we didn't have four-wheel drive vehicular mobile transportation, we would be salting like crazy. But you know what, since we have four-wheel drive vehicles, then that's not really a problem. I don't know, maybe I'm just so darn paranoid running around in four-wheel drive that I forget that, hey dummy, you didn't turn the four-wheel drive on, because there are some spots that are just bone dry, and well, I've heard that running on hard surfaces and four-wheel drive for prolonged periods of time can wear out the front end, or I should say the front tires. But I want to be able to maintain control too, so it's like, what do you do? Oh boy. Oh, this darn corner down here. But you know what, that's why I turned the four-wheel drive on. Yeah, what? Oh boy. Even just something as a slight turn, if you don't know what you're doing, can cause big accidents. Well, that's the sound of money growing. Just listen to that sound. Money growing. Well, we've made it home, and that darn walk's still got ice all over it, but you know what? As long as the landing don't have ice, we should be good. We're gonna back ourselves in here right next to this big deer, and we will put it to bed. Oops, I turned the wrong set of lights on anyhow. There. Need both of them on for in the morning, because what it does is it lights the skylight up to where I can see it from inside the house that this thing is running. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Well, this here seems to be all thawed out except for that little bit over there, and it looks like our landing is all of thawed out. We're gonna have to take her easy, but it's better than it was.